What's up, traders? On this video, let's explore the different wallets and trading apps you will be using to buy crypto and place your tradings. The first app I'll recommend you to get is Binance. You will be able to use it as a wallet and also as a trading platform. I will leave a link in the description of the video so you can create the account as a refer friend and get 10% back on your trades or purchases. When you create your account with Binance, follow the instructions to validate your identity. Once you are validated, you will have full access to your account and it will look like my screen. At this point, I recommend you to fund the account. You can either buy crypto directly if you already know which coin you want, or you can just deposit some fiat currency so you can then place the trades or buy, when the time is right. You can select buy crypto directly from the menu to buy crypto with your card. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Enter the amount in dollars that you want to buy, let's say $100. Select a coin, let's say that you want Solana, for example, okay? And then click continue and continue with the process, enter the details. The other way is for you to select bank transfer, and you will enter the amount you want to buy and complete all the necessary details. You have bank deposit here. Another way is going under the wallet and select overview. So you have wallet overview. Then you will click on deposit, okay? And the app will ask you if you want to do a bank transfer, fiat deposit, or buy crypto with your card. You have the options here: buy crypto with card, fiat deposit. The other way to buy crypto directly is going under the wallet. So you can go wallet, and you can click fiat and spot. Then you can search for the specific crypto coin you are interested in, and then you can click buy. So you have all of them in here. Let's say it's Solana, we type Sol, okay? And then you can click here, buy. The process shouldn't be complicated at all, okay? Should be something simple. Now let's go over the next option that we have. The next one that I recommend is crypto.com. You can use crypto.com, which is a mobile app, and it's easy to buy, trade, and transfer crypto. It can also be used as a wallet since it provides deposit addresses for you to receive crypto transfers. You will get $25 bonus when you register using the link in the description and you request a credit card from the app. The cards have an 8% back bonus and other perks. You can use the card to buy crypto on other trading apps like Binance, for example. The app will look something similar to this. You will have it on the mobile. You can click or tap in the balance. It will allow you to deposit crypto or fiat. Then if you go into your account, down below here, you will have the option to apply for the card, and you can read all the different options they have, all the different perks they have. I recommend you to check it out. I also recommend getting different wallets so you can diversify and not hold all your crypto in just one app. This is not only for security reasons, but also to get different deals, since fees and rewards percentages might be different from one to the other. So you should always check and compare between them. The next option I really like is Guarda, since it's a multi-coin wallet. You have the option to buy crypto directly in Guarda. You can also get passive income with massive APY on top of your holdings by staking the coins that you have in your Guarda wallet. The reason why I like Guarda is because it exposes all your private keys. So there is more security since you control and you can back up all your accounts. You can, for example, use the same accounts on other wallets, which allow you to import the keys. Probably this won't make too much sense now because you are just beginning, but it's a massive positive point for this wallet in comparison to the trading apps, which doesn't expose all the private keys and probably won't allow you to do all the backups that you need for your accounts. So Guarda has a desktop and mobile and web version. It will, if we click, for example, on earn, we can do a quick calculation of what we might earn by staking. So let's say we want to buy and hold Tron. So we have the calculator here. We can select Tron, and let's say we want to buy 10,000 units of Tron. So this would be around $770, okay? Let's say that we decide to keep this coin for 3 years, okay? So we're gonna be receiving 41 units per month, okay? So times 36, 3 years. That would be 1,476. If we add up the initial Tron purchase, which was 10,000, we get 11,476. Now let's say that the price of Tron after 3 years gets to be around 1.3, 1.5, 1.7. So if we multiply by 1.7, we will have at that point $19,000. So going from an investment of $700 to $19,000 in 3 years, not bad for a long-term trading strategy. Other wallets which are useful for decentralized finance are Metamask and TronLink. Okay, these are also Chrome extensions, or you have also the mobile version, but I recommend to use the Chrome extension version because it allows you to participate in decentralized finance platforms like, for example, Uniswap or PancakeSwap. You have it here. We will explore more about decentralized finance in the next videos. But I just want you to have a little bit of an overview of all the applications, trading platforms, wallets that you might be using. Hopefully now you know which are the apps you need to get and how to buy crypto on those platforms. In the next video, we will be talking about crypto analysis, so you can learn the tools you can use to track and decide which coins to go for. Let's jump right into it.